Learning how to make some of those things that I've always enjoyed eating has been really exciting. And I also enjoy seeing other people enjoy what I make.
Gabriela Briones is passionate about making pastries. She's a culinary student at Valencia College. And thanks to a little Disney magic, her education is about to get even better.
Walt Disney World Resort is investing $1.5 million in Valencia College's reimagination and relocation of their Culinary Art and Hospitality program to their new downtown campus.
The Walt Disney World Center for Culinary Arts and Hospitality at Valencia College will be a 50,000 square foot facility with an additional 5,000 square foot community event space.
With the help of Disney and those amazing grants we get for new equipment, now we have state-of-the-art equipment downtown. And it's going to be 3 times as big as what we have here.
We are so excited to continue our partnership with Valencia College as we help them transform the education opportunities available in the downtown Orlando area.
Being able to offer a culinary development program will motivate a new generation of people to become the great chefs of tomorrow.
The new downtown campus will open to students for the fall 2019 semester. For Gabriela, the new Walt Disney World Center for Culinary Arts and Hospitality at Valencia College is a dream come true.
If this is what you want to study and you're passionate about this, then go for it. Don't hesitate, just do it.